What if I told you the secret to sharper vision might be simpler than you think? After speaking to 100 eye surgeons, I've discovered 8 game-changing tips to improve eyesight, and they might just save yours too. Tip 1. Protect your eyes from digital overload. Our modern world is dominated by screens, computers, smartphones, TVs. While they make life convenient, they silently harm our eyes. Eye surgeons agree that prolonged screen time is a major cause of digital eye strain. The blue light emitted by these devices penetrates deep into the eye and can damage the retina over time. This can lead to problems like dry eyes, blurry vision, and even trouble sleeping. But here's the good news. There are simple ways to protect your eyes. The first is the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This relaxes your eye muscles and reduces strain. Another tip is investing in blue light blocking glasses. They're affordable and can filter out harmful rays, protecting your eyes during screen use. Surgeons also warn of damage we can't see. Blue light doesn't just strain the eyes, it may accelerate age-related macular degeneration. This condition can lead to permanent vision loss. So, don't underestimate the impact of reducing screen time or taking protective measures. Small changes like these can preserve your vision for years to come. Tip 2. Eat your way to better vision. What you eat directly impacts your eyes. Surgeons emphasize the importance of a nutrient-rich diet to keep your vision sharp and healthy as you age. Certain foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that protect your eyes from damage and even slow the progression of common age-related issues. Carrots are famous for their eye benefits, and it's no myth. They're rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision, particularly in low light. Spinach and other leafy greens are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that shield your eyes from harmful UV rays and reduce the risk of cataracts. Then there's fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel. They're high in omega-3 fatty acids, which support the retina and prevent dry eye syndrome. Studies reveal that eating these vision-boosting foods can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration by up to 40%. Surgeons also advise adding citrus fruits for vitamin C and nuts for vitamin E. These nutrients protect your eyes from oxidative stress, which can speed up damage over time. Making these simple dietary changes can help your eyes stay strong, sharp, and resilient for years to come. Tip 3. Quit these habits or risk losing your vision. Some daily habits are silently harming your eyes, and they might surprise you. Smoking, for instance, doesn't just damage your lungs, it's a major threat to your eyesight. Eye surgeons consistently warn that smokers are twice as likely to develop cataracts and macular degeneration, both of which can lead to blindness. Smoking reduces blood flow to the eyes, depriving them of oxygen and essential nutrients. Then there's hydration. Many people overlook the importance of drinking enough water, but dehydration can lead to dry eyes, which causes discomfort and blurriness. Your eyes need moisture to stay healthy and maintain a protective tear film. But here's the shocking part. There's one habit many people do every morning that's even worse. Rubbing your eyes. This simple action can weaken the cornea, cause infections, and even worsen conditions like glaucoma over time. It might feel harmless, but surgeons stress that it's best avoided. By quitting smoking, staying hydrated, and breaking harmful habits like rubbing your eyes, you'll protect your vision for the long run. It's never too late to make these changes. Your future self will thank you. Tip 4. Regular eye checkups are non-negotiable. When was the last time you had an eye exam? Eye surgeons stress that regular checkups are not just important, they're life-saving. As we age, our eyes become more vulnerable to conditions like glaucoma, cataracts, and macular degeneration. The scary part? Many of these issues develop silently, without symptoms, until the damage is severe. Experts recommend a comprehensive eye exam every 2 years if you're under 60. For those over 60, annual exams are critical. These visits allow your doctor to detect issues early and potentially save your vision. I want to share a story that surgeons often encounter. A 62-year-old man came in for a routine eye exam, thinking his vision was fine. The doctor found early signs of glaucoma, a condition that can cause blindness if left untreated. Thanks to the early diagnosis, he received treatment and saved his sight. Stories like these remind us why eye exams are non-negotiable. They're not just about updating prescriptions, they're about protecting your vision and quality of life. Make it a priority to schedule your next appointment. It could make all the difference. Tip 5. Sunglasses aren't just a fashion statement. Sunglasses may look stylish, but their true value lies far beyond appearance. Eye surgeons repeatedly stress that sunglasses are one of the simplest and most effective tools for protecting your vision. The sun's UV rays don't just damage your skin, they can harm your eyes too. Prolonged exposure to UV radiation increases the risk of cataracts, macular degeneration, and even cancer of the eyelid. The damage isn't immediate, but it builds over time. Think of UV rays as silent attackers, slowly degrading your vision without warning signs. That's why surgeons insist on wearing sunglasses whenever you're outdoors, even on cloudy days when UV rays are still present. When choosing sunglasses, always look for the label that says 100% UV protection. This ensures the lenses block both UVA and UVB rays. Polarized lenses can reduce glare, but they don't necessarily offer UV protection, so always check the label. If you already wear glasses, consider prescription sunglasses or UV protective coatings. By making sunglasses a daily habit, you're taking a proactive step to preserve your eyesight and keep your vision sharp for years to come. Don't leave home without them. Tip 6. Dry eyes? This simple fix might surprise you. Dry eyes are more than just an inconvenience. They can lead to discomfort, blurry vision, and even long-term damage if left untreated. Eye surgeons highlight that dry eyes are increasingly common, especially as we age or spend extended time in air-conditioned or heated environments. But here's the good news. Simple solutions can make a big difference. Start with hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body, including your eyes, well hydrated. Surgeons also recommend blinking exercises, especially if you spend hours staring at screens. Consciously blink slowly and fully several times every few minutes to help spread your eyes' natural moisture evenly. Now, here's a surprising trick you can do at home. Use warm compresses. Take a clean, soft cloth, soak it in warm water, and place it gently over your closed eyes for a few minutes. This simple practice can help unclog oil glands in your eyelids, improving tear quality and relieving dryness. Finally, consider using a humidifier in your home to add moisture to the air, especially during winter months when heating systems can dry it out. These simple fixes are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can provide significant relief, keeping your eyes comfortable and healthy. Don't let dry eyes go untreated. Small steps can make all the difference. Tip 7. Strengthen your eye muscles. Just like your body needs exercise to stay strong, your eyes benefit from regular workouts too. Eye surgeons often recommend simple exercises to strengthen the muscles around your eyes, improve focus, and reduce strain. These exercises are especially helpful for those who spend hours reading or using digital devices. One of the most effective exercises is pencil push-ups. Here's how you do it. 1. Hold a pencil or pen at arm's length, directly in front of your nose. 2. Slowly bring it closer to your face while keeping it in focus. 3. Stop when it becomes blurry, then move it back to arm's length. 4. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. Another powerful technique is the focus shift exercise. 1. Choose 2 objects, one close to you and one farther away. 2. Alternate your focus between the near and distant objects, holding each for 5 to 10 seconds. 3. Repeat this for a couple of minutes. These exercises train your eye muscles to work better and stay strong. Consistency is key. Just a few minutes a day can lead to noticeable improvements over time. Strengthening your eyes isn't complicated, but it can have a lasting impact on your vision and comfort. Try these today and feel the difference. Tip 8. The sleep-vision connection. Your eyes work hard all day, focusing, adjusting, and processing everything you see. Quality sleep is their time to recover and recharge. Eye surgeons emphasize that poor sleep isn't just bad for your energy levels, it can also harm your vision. When you don't get enough rest, your eyes don't get the chance to repair themselves, leading to issues like redness, dryness, and even twitching. During sleep, your eyes produce essential nutrients and tears that keep them lubricated and healthy. Lack of sleep can lead to increased eye strain, blurred vision, and over time, contribute to conditions like dry eye syndrome or even more severe problems. Now, here's the one nighttime habit surgeons swear by: establishing a consistent bedtime routine. This includes turning off screens at least an hour before sleep. The blue light from devices disrupts melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing the quality of your rest. Creating a calming nighttime ritual, like reading a book, practicing deep breathing, or using a sleep mask, can make a huge difference. And don't forget to aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. A well-rested body means well-rested eyes, and you'll wake up with fresher, healthier vision every day. Protect your eyes by prioritizing your sleep. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to care for them.